Okay, so this time we will be talking about brakes, mainly for my gravel bike and mountain bike. I use mechanical brakes or mechanical calipers. What we have here is one of maybe the most common cheap functioning Shimano caliper that you can buy. It's a Tourney TX or non-series, whatever they call it. This is based on your old Diore or Diore LX, some of the old ones. So anyway, this is currently not working. As you can see, the brake pads are all worn out. Oh, there we go. So this thin layer right now is the supposed resin, and this is the case. So we'll pull it out, and anticipating replacement, I bought this guy from Uncle Jim's Bike Shack. Cheap replacement, not the original Shimano, but hey, I just need replacement for the time being. For you to be able to remove the brake pads, there's two brake pads, you have to remove this pin. Straighten up the lock, like, without hurting yourself. Oop. Okay, well, that looks straight. You should just be able to pull this out and pull this out. Yeah. That needs replacement. It's almost to the metal. I'll be using the same one, the Shimano one, the one that I pulled out earlier. Looks like it fits. Bend this a little. Maybe a little more. You adjust this if you want the non-moving side to move towards the rotor, just like so, and then counterclockwise to loosen it. Yeah, just like any other thread. So that's it for our Shimano style or based mechanical caliper. Up to the next one. I guess this will be the easier one. The Tektro Novella. This or most Tektro calipers, just like the Shimano one, is a two-piece caliper. And this is your two-piece, held on by 2 bolts, held on by 2 bolts. With that being said, like I said, this is the easier bit because it's held on not by this type of spring. The brake pads are held on by magnet. See? It's held on by magnet. So what I'm doing is there we go. To remove the brake pads, get this out of the way, like so. Push it out. Oh, here we go. Action. This one has more teeth in it, so I won't be replacing it. I'm just showing how to get it removed. If you need this replaced, just remove it, take it to the bike shop, or bring the whole caliper with you. Okay? I hope this has been informative. Till next time, bye.